Hi everyone, and welcome to how I accidentally made a frog hood instead of a really important part of a cosplay I'm working on. I hope you enjoy. For the pattern, I traced around one of my hoodies and added a random amount of seam allowance because I don't measure things, I just wing it, it's fine. I'm using this green fleecy fabric, and you want to cut out two pieces of it using both sides of the pattern, so you have two sides. Chalk it, cut it, pin it, do the things. I'm great at explaining this. This is the part of the process where I thought I'd lost my mind because I really couldn't remember which was the right side and which was the wrong side of the fabric, so I kind of think I figured it out. Pin those two pieces together, making sure to leave an opening for your face and your neck. I just use a straight stitch to stitch them together. And don't forget to add some Velcro. The only circular thing I seemed to have was the filter from my gas mask, so I traced that twice to make the eyes. I put some stuffing in the middle of these circles, and using a needle I gathered up the fabric to make a little dumpling for the eyes. Cut out two green semicircles, sewed them together, flipped them round the other way, and then used some stuffing and calico to help them keep their shape. This fleece is really cool because the texture seems to hide stitches even if they're really messy like mine. I pinned the eyes on in the place I wanted and sewed them on. I used some scrap PVC for the pupils, painted on some little highlights with some acrylic paint, and then I was all done.